Hi, welcome to the MAET D2L Desire to Learn tutorial. Each of the courses that you're going to take may use D2L a little differently, but basically what you are going to see in each of your courses is a menu bar at the top, which we'll talk about in a minute, an image in the middle. Usually there'll be some type of welcome or announcement section here with some content below that. And on the right side, there will likely be links or resources you are frequently probably going to use. So for CEP 8, 10, 11, and 12, we will use this organization, and you can get to your content by clicking on the main page where you see it. You can also get to the content by clicking content in the menu bar. When you do that, it will take you to various content pages, starting with the overview for the course. And then you can see on the left side resources and the weeks in order. The weeks will be scheduled to open up as you progress through the course. Once you get into the weeks, you will be able to see the big ideas, the objectives, the explorations, the creations, and the sharing. D2L can take a little bit of work to get used to, so we understand if it would feel a little clunky at first, but we hope that you will soon get used to things. Again, you can use the sidebar as an outline, and hopefully things will make sense once you're in the course for a couple of days. One thing to be aware of is that there is a discussion for question and answer. So if you have a question that you are comfortable with it being public to the class, you could add a question to that. Also in the communication, there is a class list where you could communicate, email all of the people in your class with one click of a button, so you don't have to look people up individually. But for the most part, you will be using the content section. The only other section worth mentioning at this point is the assignments or grades section. And this will look a little different from the student view, but basically here is where you will keep track of your grades throughout the course, and it should show you the points that you're receiving, and that should correlate with your feedback notebook. If you have any questions, please reach out to your instructor so that they can help you learn to navigate D2L as efficiently and quickly as possible.